Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, after I get through with this video, I'm going to publish this video, and then I'm going to finish getting ready for church this morning. Got a busy day today. Y'all, we do have a contest today. I'm not going to make a thumbnail for this video that says contest today because I want this contest to be just for subscribers. And if people sees a thumbnail that says we're having a contest today, they're going to click on here just so they can have a chance to win it. I don't want that. It's only for subscribers. So yeah, at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you what you need to do to enter this contest. What question to answer, and be sure and answer the question. That's the only way to be a part of the contest. And today's prize is $100. Got my morning Joe. Okay, y'all, let's get into this. If y'all did not see last night's 10 o'clock late night with Walter Weyburn show, please go back and watch it and let me know what you think, and come back every night at 10 o'clock, 7 nights a week. We're going to have that show. And I got a question in that show at the beginning of the show that I'm asking y'all. I need your help with to decide which direction that show needs to go. I'm about to sneeze here. I don't want to do that on camera. It's ugly. The Fed says the unemployment numbers are wrong. Well, duh. Any child could have told them that. They say that the unemployment rate right now is 7.9%. But the Fed says it's more like 11% when you factor in the people that has given up on working because there's just no jobs out there. The most recent unemployment claims was mostly women. There was 1 million new unemployment claims. Out of that, 80% was women that are just giving up on trying to work because there is no jobs out there, and women are choosing to stay at home and take care of the family. The feds are now saying without stimulus, we are headed for disaster. Headed? I thought we was already there. Now, if this is true, what the feds are saying, and I do believe it is true, then why don't the feds step in and help the American people? They are just like the rest of Washington. The rest of the cronies that's in Washington, they're nothing but blowing hot air. No action to help the regular American people. The only thing anyone is worried about in Washington is the stock market and the housing market. Well, what about the people that can't put food on their table? What about the people that lost their jobs? What about people that lost their houses? What about the people that's living on the street in cardboard boxes? We know the feds can step in and send out stimulus checks in time of disaster. Now they say we are headed for disaster, so send out the stimulus checks. Y'all remember a few months ago when the feds was setting up those bank accounts for everyone so they could send out stimulus? Whatever happened to that? That was a good idea, I thought. But this kind of behavior, everyone's saying one thing that they want us to hear, that they know we want to hear, but then they turn their back on that idea. This kind of behavior is why I say they're all just full of hot air. And that's everyone from President Trump, Nancy Pelosi, Steve Mnuchin, the Mooch Man, and the Problem Solvers Caucus. They all say we need stimulus checks. Then I say, where in the hell are they? Come on, send them out. They act like this is their money. But it's not their money. It's our money. We the people has paid in money all these years. Now we just need a little bit of it back to tie us over. Send it out. Everyone in Washington gets their cut out of our money every month. Why can't we get a cut? The president egged us on with his idea of he would send out a stimulus check by executive order. Where is that? I have not seen any executive orders that helps the American people. Come on, Mr. President, sign your executive orders, if in fact you can. Nancy Pelosi and Steve Mnuchin, they sound like broken records. All they know how to say is their talks is very productive. Well, I can't see it. Come on, Steve and Nancy, show us something. Or stop blowing hot air. The Problem Solvers Caucus came riding into town to save us with stimulus. They was going to save the day. Well, what have they done? I don't see a damn thing they've done. If I'm wrong on this, please, someone point it out to me. Let me know what they've done. I don't see anything. I got to get off of that because I'm getting heated up and I'm headed for church. That's not really a good thing, is it? Y'all, the contest is today. It is for $100, and the question is, how many kids do you have and what are their ages? Just a simple question. If you don't have any kids, just say, I don't have any. Let me know if you plan to have them in the future or if you don't. There's no right or wrong answer. Leave your answer and I will randomly pick one before bedtime tonight. I will announce the winner tomorrow morning on the 6 a.m. video. The only way you can win this contest is be subscribed to this channel and answer the question that I ask. Don't answer another question. Answer this question about how many kids you have. Some people say they've never won anything. If you don't enter, you can't win. Y'all, please go back and watch the Late Night with Walter. I do have a question in there that I'm asking y'all, and I really do need your help with it. I'm having a battle with myself on that show, and the question is right in the beginning of the video. So if you don't want to watch the whole thing, you don't have to. Just answer that question. Let me know what you're thinking. Check out my links below. If you want a stun gun, pepper spray, or tactical knives, I got plenty of them. I can send them right out to you. My business books are down there, how to start business, that kind of stuff, online or physical business. My new cookbook is down there. Please check that out. It's Down Home Southern Cooking. It's recipes that's been sent down through the years in my family, family stories, family pictures, that kind of stuff. Be sure and check it out. That book is selling real good, by the way. Also, my mastery course is down there. I'm signing up more people every day, and hadn't got the first complaint yet. Seems like everybody likes that course. At the end of that course, you will have your own ebook, and it will be published on my website, making you money. You can also take that ebook and publish it on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, any other third-party platform. And if you do it on their platform, you can also make a print book. It don't have to be just an ebook. And I'm not sure how to do the print books. I've only made one, and that was when I first started like 12 years ago. I don't remember the details. It's probably changed by now. But check out that course. It may be something you want to do. Y'all, keep your faith in God. He will see us through this. I know He will. My God is not a hurtful God. My God is a healing God. And He will heal this country. He will heal our leaders. He will heal the people that's been touched by COVID, that's been hurt by the actions of our government. And y'all just remember, God is in charge. President Trump, Nancy Pelosi, Steve Mnuchin, they're just playing games. God is the one in charge. I love you all. Until 12 p.m. today, please come back and watch my noon show, and come back tonight to see the 10 p.m. late night with Walter. And don't forget, check the video tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. I may call your name as a winner. And if you don't check it out, you'll never know. I love you all. Ciao.